How to sum a column in Google Sheets. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so, which is pretty easy. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can start by going to the sheet where our data is located, and we can just go over and use the sum formula for that to sum a column in Google Sheets. So we can click on the cell where we want the total. For example, let's say this is the cell available. And what we can do is we can just go over and there type in is equal to sum and then type in bracket, and you can select the data. For example, let's say this data and the other is this one right here, B2 and C2. After that, close of the bracket and you can hit enter, and when you do, it will give you the total that you're looking for. You can just go over and look out for it instantly. And you can just go and make up the changes and drag and drop it down, and it will automatically give you the sum that you're looking for. You will be getting the total instantly. And it will also auto sum once you go ahead and drag and drop it like this, and it will insert it for you. You can just go and follow it up. And if you want the data to keep increasing, what you can do is you can type in is equal to sum and select data like this, and again that data, and close it up and hit enter, and it will give you the data that you're looking for. If it is increasing, you can just go and make it up and it will give you the result that you're looking for. And that's is it. It is very simple. If you want to do so, you may follow this process for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.